cause I'm a fool for your love.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my Fabfitfun fall box. So I'm really excited about this video and to show you guys what is in this box. So like I said, this is the box for fall. If you're not familiar with Fabfitfun, it is a subscription service. It is not just beauty products like a lot of subscriptions out there. It is also lifestyle products, it's cooking products, athletic stuff. It's kind of all different products that fit into your life. So I really like this box, and also what's really cool about it is it introduces you to a lot of different brands you probably never heard of. I know a lot of the brands in this box I've never heard of, but I'm excited to use them and try them out because, you know, it's always cool to try out new brands, new products, because who knows, maybe they'll become favorites in your life. So it's $49.99 for each season, so there's obviously 4 seasons. But what's cool is I do have a coupon code for you guys. It's BURNS10. I'll put it on the screen and I'll list it in the description box down below, and it gets you $10 off your first box. So you're only paying $39.99, and what is the coolest part about this box is valued over $200. Which is insane, and you're only paying $39.99. Like, you can't beat that. So anyways, let's get started and see what is inside. So the first thing in the box is this little magazine. So in here they have the products that could come in your box, what they're for, the pricing, just like a breakdown of all the products, and then of course there's like, you know, photos and little articles and stuff like that. So that is the first thing in the box, but let's get into the fun stuff, which is the products, obviously. So the first thing in here is this Human and Kind Skincare with a Conscience Body Souffle. So this is basically a body cream, which I actually was really in need of some new body lotion, so this came at the perfect time. And this is a this says it is lightly whipped for the ultimate in kindness, Human and Kind 2-in-1 light and fluffy body souffle. It's quickly absorbed to leave your skin feeling super moisturized and soft to touch. So let's open this up and see what this smells like. That actually smells really good. This reminds me of, which is random, but it reminds me of one of my products that I use in my hair, and I love the smell of that product. And it smells just like it, just in like lotion form. So I really like the smell of that, and it does feel really nice. So I'm definitely excited to use this. This is what the body souffle looks like, and it actually has really cute packaging, and this retails for $18. Okay, the next product in here is a hair care product, which I'm excited about, and this is by a brand called Aveda. I've actually heard of this brand for years, and I've never really tried anything from it, but I'm excited to try it because I know it's like a nicer brand for your hair. So yeah, I've heard good things about it. So this is the Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair, Instant Visible Repair, and protects from heat styling. So I would probably use this when I blow out my hair straight. So this product is infused with quinoa protein, macadamia oil, and soy to instantly repair and protect your hair from heat styling, and this retails for $30. So this product alone is $30, and you're only paying $39.99 for your first box. So that's a really good value. So I'm definitely going to try this out. I'm actually going to smell this product too because I like good smelling hair products. So hopefully this smells good. Oh God, it came right out. Whoops. Oh yeah, that smells good. It smells like, I don't know, like smells like an herb or something. It's really lightweight. Like it kind of like absorbs right away. We'll just put it in the back of my bun. Okay, so the next thing in here, I'm actually really excited to try because it's a different product than anything I've ever tried before. So hopefully I like it. So this is the Cosmetics Pure C Vitamin C Mixing Crystals. So you can mix these in with your moisturizer, your serum, and it just gives your moisturizer or serum like a little boost. And yeah, it's very interesting. Like I said, I've never really tried anything like this. So this is what the product looks like. It's like in a little can, and you can kind of hear the little crystals in there, and it comes out the top like a salt shaker, and this retails for $54. So the next item is not a beauty item, it's actually for your kitchen, and it is a salt and pepper grinder. So really cool, definitely a different item to have in here, but like I said, these products are not just for beauty, they're lifestyle products. And I don't have use for this right now, however, I will be storing this away for when I buy a house. So I'm gonna store it for now, and then when I buy a house and I have my first kitchen, you know, hopefully in the next 2 years, I will definitely be putting this in my kitchen. So I'm gonna open up the box so we can see what this looks like. So this is like actually a pretty heavy duty product. Like it's way bigger than I actually thought it was. So what I like about this is that it's dual ended, so you don't have to have two separate containers, one for the salt, one for the pepper. You just fill up each side, they're divided, and then you just, you know, use a little salt, do a little pepper. So that is really cool. And this product right here retails for $21.95. So the next thing I'm actually super excited about as well, and it's another item for the kitchen, and I will definitely be storing this just like I'm going to be storing the salt and pepper shaker for when I have my own home, and whenever I have my first group of guests over, I'll definitely be using this. So this is actually a gourmet wood and ceramic cheese board set, and it's by a brand called Twine. So let me get this out of the packaging so you can actually really see what this looks like. So here's like the little knife for the cheese and the little like fork. Really cute with like the brass metal and the wood handles. And then this is what the cheese board looks like. And then this actually comes out, this little plate here. It's just a ceramic plate. So really, really cute. And this retails for $30. Okay, moving on, we're going back to the beauty products. These are exfoliating sugar cubes by the brand Harper and Ari, which I've never heard of, but I'm really intrigued by these, and I think these will come in handy because I am like an avid spray tanner. I actually do mobile spray tanning as a business, as part of my business. So I usually have a spray tan, not in the summer, but fall and winter and spring, I usually have a spray tan, and we all know how getting your spray tan off could be literally a workout. So having something like this will definitely be helpful. So like I said, these are exfoliating sugar cubes, which I've never used anything like this. So I'm just gonna read you the directions because I'm kind of curious actually how these work. So you just take a single cube with you in the shower or bath and gently massage over wet skin, concentrating on rough patches. Recommended to use twice a week or whenever you need some pampering. So yeah, that's what these are. So let's open these up and smell these because I'm just curious. I like my like shower products to smell good, obviously, so that smells really good. These actually smell like, they remind me of something. They smell like melon, like they have like a melon fruity scent, but definitely like the smell of those. So this is what these sugar cubes look like up close. They're just basically look like sugar cubes you would put in your coffee or something, and these retail for $16. Alright you guys, so we are getting towards the end of the box. The next thing, I guess, is somewhat beauty. I think it's more so just like a self-care product, and this is the Aromatherapy Associates Deep Relax Roller Ball. So this is interesting. I'm not one that really knows too much about aromatherapy or essential oils or anything like that. So I definitely would like to try this out. And I'll just read a little bit on the back as to what this does. So this says, discover well-being on the go with our best-selling Deep Relax blend of chamomile, vetiver, I think it says, and sandalwood. Calm and comfort the senses, adding relaxation. Ideal for travel or to fit in your purse, this rollerball is a perfect way to enjoy a mindful moment wherever you are. So basically, if you just need to relax, you know, get rid of some stress for a minute, you could just put this on and it's supposed to kind of relax you. So this is what the rollerball looks like. Believe it or not, this actually retails, this little bottle, for $29. So the smell of this is really subtle. I could definitely see how it's supposed to be relaxing. I definitely see myself using this like at night before bed when I just want to kind of relax. I have a hard time getting relaxed for bed. I don't know. I don't always go to bed at the best times. I kind of go to bed late, but lately I'm trying to get into more of a habit to getting to bed early. So maybe this will help just kind of relax me. So it actually smells like one of my uncles. I know that's weird, but one of my uncles wears a lot of patchouli and it's kind of giving me that vibe. It's not as strong, but it has like a slight patchouli scent, which I don't mind since this is really faint. Like I said, I probably wouldn't be like out wearing this because it's not really my style, but I would definitely put this on before bed. So we're actually at the last product. There's nothing left in the box, and this one is actually really cool. So this is the Live Mindfully Anthropology Travel Yoga Mat. I thought this was a really cool item to have in here. I will be honest, I don't do a lot of yoga. However, I do belong to a gym. Haven't been there in a little too long. It's been a while. But one of the classes I go to when I do make it to the gym does require yoga mats, and I hate using the yoga mats at the gym because they're just like disgusting. I'd rather bring my own. So this is definitely going to come in handy, and it, as you can see, it's like it folds up really small. And this is by Anthropology, which is really cool because Anthropology is like such a good brand. So this is just like an ultra thin foldable mat that's supposed to be just like really easy to take around with you. You could even fit this in a tote bag if you had to. And I'm just opening it up so you guys can see ooh, what? Is there like a print on it? Oh. So this is what it looks like, and the other side is this like lilac color. It's actually pretty long. It's a pretty long mat. And believe it or not, this mat right here retails for $50. I don't think I've ever spent over like $10 on a yoga mat. I usually get mine at TJ Maxx. So to have a really nice foldable yoga mat for $50, like, I'm not complaining about that. That's really awesome. So yeah, you guys, that is it. That is what is in the Fabfitfun fall box. Now, of course, every box is going to be slightly different. It depends on, you know, you. And you can customize your boxes on their website. But this is what I got in my box. So yeah, I'm excited to try these products out. I'm definitely excited to try out this body cream because, like I said, I was running low on body cream. And I'm really excited to try out the Pure C vitamin C mixing crystals. I've never used anything like this. This is very different for me. So hopefully I like it. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.